Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to clear the jam MP error on your Brother HL-L5210DW. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Let's start by removing the paper from the multipurpose or MP tray. Next, fan the paper. And return it to the MP tray. Verify that the tray guides are not pushed too tightly against the paper. Also verify that the paper is not loaded above the maximum fill line. Now press Go. If the error does not clear, follow the link on the screen for additional instructions. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.